Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F82A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Hankook Dynapro tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera, and your factory trailer hitch is back here. Ford bed liner is going to keep your bed nice and safe, and then you have a soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.